Yeah. Afro-Zion choir, rise up tonight. Ancient praise, new sound, one voice, lift him high. Oh. I lift my hands, my heart, my voice. You are my strength, my song, my choice. From morning light to darkest night, your love surround me pure and bright. Let everything where I breath praise the Lord. So me breathing in forevermore. You are worthy, you are holy, faithful God, you never fail me. Heaven sing and me agree, all my praise belong to thee.
Yeah, now feel the rhythm, yeah. Give thanks every day, your love can't done. From the rising of the sun to the setting sun. Some say praise him with the dance and the drum. When the people praise, victory come. No fear in me heart, Jah hold me hand. Blessings flow like river across the land. Me voice loud, me soul free. King of glory reign eternally, yeah.
Me I bless you in every land. Clap me hands, praise on command. Joy I flow, my spirit free. The most I reign eternally. You are worthy, you are worthy, you are holy, you are all the earth shout victory. From generation to eternity, praise belong to you only.